Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Tom Harris.
And welcome back. I'm meteorologist Tom Harris. Yes, in Aransas Pass for the big shrimpery, but they have more than just shrimp. They've got funnel cakes, they've got shrimp tacos, and they've got just about everybody in town working on this. We've got some great looking shrimp tacos there, and just happened to run into the Chipotle sauce. You're doing a great job with that. Talking to the city manager of Aransas Pass, you have to be pleased to see such a big crowd coming out to support your community.
Absolutely. This happens every year. It's the 70th year this has occurred, 70th annual shrimpery. And to bring this many people, we estimate 50, 60, 70,000, somewhere in that general area. That's what happens each year. And bringing that number of people into the community is a great asset to the community.
Especially after Harvey.
Especially after Harvey. In Aransas Pass, sales tax for the past year has been up considerably. This helps that revenue stream as far as the community goes, absolutely.
And you can't go wrong with funnel cake, can you?
Actually, that's a highlight. People come here for the funnel cake. It is it's the epitome of if you have a funnel cake, you will succeed in life.
I'm going to have to try one of those because I'm not just going to take your word on that. A great evening here in Aransas Pass, and it's finally starting to cool down. Let's take a look at our weather. We definitely saw some pretty warm temperatures across the coastal bend today. Made it up to right around 93 degrees this afternoon. It was breezy with the winds out of the south-southeast at 17 miles per hour. Relative humidity 54%. Temperatures were in the upper 90s for Orange Grove, Alice about 97 degrees, 89 degrees in Rockport. When you factor in the humidity, felt more like 100 to 109 out there in some of those locations. So if you're spending any extended periods of time outdoors, definitely be careful of the heat. Now the winds picked up this afternoon with the sea breeze blowing out of the south-southeast about 15 to 20 miles per hour. For the end to the weekend, winds will die down in the early morning hours, but then they'll pick up again on Sunday afternoon. It's going to be even a little bit more breezy for the end to the weekend. So we take a look at the combination radar and satellite imagery. We are seeing some showers down to our south and also just to the west of Jim Wells County. That high pressure moved to the northwest, opening the door for some of that moisture to come in, and that's why we did see the very isolated showers across the coastal bend. You could see that the heaviest rainfall occurred right in between Beeville up toward Goliad and Victoria. We also had another little storm cell right across parts of Clayburgh County near Baffin Bay. Also produced some decent amount of shower activity. Future Tracker does indicate that we'll see a few isolated showers tonight, although most of them tapering off. Then it's going to be a bit drier as we head into Sunday, Monday, and the start to our work week. Now, as far as tonight, we will see the potential for a few isolated showers along the coastal areas of Texas, but the strong thunderstorms, the threat for severe weather is going to be across parts of the upper Midwest. We do want to take a look at the tropics. We've got Hurricane Aletta. It has weakened this morning. It was a Category 2 hurricane. Now it's dropped down to a Category 1 hurricane with winds of about 75 miles per hour. This is over in the Pacific. It's no threat to us, but it is weakening as it's getting into some cooler waters. Another storm right on its heels, however, could have a bigger impact for the west coast of Mexico. Here's a look at our forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy and mild. Expect an overnight low 77 degrees. For Sunday, mostly sunny, hot and breezy. Look for a high of 94 degrees. Winds will be out of the southeast, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Some gusts a little bit stronger than that. 7-day forecast shows we're going to stay in this hot, dry, and breezy weather pattern for at least the start to the work week. Then around Flag Day, which is Thursday, we'll start to see some of that moisture returning. That could give us a few isolated showers as we get closer to next weekend. So if you're still looking for something to do this weekend, of course, the Shrimpery still taking place tonight until midnight, tomorrow from noon to 6. You can see they got the carnival behind me, all kinds of food, music, and events, and come out and support the Aransas Pass community. Tom Harris, Chris 6 News.